Welcome to Kanien'keha, Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, lesson 3. Today we're going to be looking at the second of the 3 sounds charts. Here's the first line of the second sounds chart. Ya, ye, yo, yon, you. Now let's combine H with these vowel sounds. Hia, hie, hyo, hyon, hyu. Now let's combine KH with the vowel sounds. Kia, hie, hyo, kyon, hyu. Now let's combine N with the vowel sounds. Nya, nye, nyo, nyo, nyu. And now let's combine R with the vowel sounds. Ria, rie, rio, rion, riu. And now we'll combine S with the vowel sounds. Zia, zie, zio, zion, ziu. And now we'll combine SH with the vowel sounds. These sounds change a little bit depending on the speaker and depending on the word that it's used in. So it can go sia or sha, sie or she, sio or sho, sion or sho, and siu or shu. When you combine T with these vowel sounds, the T is next to an I. So the sound of the T becomes a J, like a J. So it sounds like this. Ja, J, Jo, Jon, Ju. When TH is combined with these vowel sounds, the pronunciation can change as well depending on the speaker or where that is used in. Well, TH combined with these vowel sounds sounds like tia or cha, tie or che, tio or chio, tion or chion, tune or chu. Now we will take a sound from the second sounds chart and combine it with other sounds to make words. So our first word is ga-yare. Ga-ya-re. Ga-yare. Our next word is a-nya-na-wa. 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 Our next word combines 2 sounds from the second sounds chart. Ye-hya-dun-kwa. 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 And our final word for today is o-nyuk-seri. 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 Let's add in one more word using the sounds from the second sounds chart. Nyawa. 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 Join us next time for our 4th lesson when we'll be looking at the 3rd sounds chart. Nyawa.